All right, so like I said, this is module 7.1, and you will have this in your workbook. This is just the computer version, what you guys see when I pull it up on the smartboard. Let me go to just the one page. There we go. So it's asking, when we break apart 100, it's asking, how would you write it? So we know that 100, there's the 100, is written 100. So if I'm going to do it on the whiteboard, I would write 100. So in my box, it's just showing me different ways to break up the 100. So it asks how many hundreds are there, and if we're looking at 100, we know that there's only 100. And then below, we have how many tens is there. So if I counted by tens, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, if I count all the tens in 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and I counted each one out, I would see that there's 10 tens in 100 because I counted by tens 10 times. So for that next one, you're just going to write 10 and then 0. And how would you write it if it was all ones? Well, we think of it like it was as if it's $1, and we say, okay, how many pennies are in $1? And if I counted up 100 pennies, that would equal $1. So I write 100. I know this is a little bit hard on the screen. All right, so then it says, what number is 1 less than 100? So they give us this really nice little number chart here, and I look at 100 right here, and I say, okay, what is 1 less? And I just step back 1. And what number is that? 99. So let's see if it's gonna let me write on the board here. 99. Ooh, sorry. Or move. All right. Then what number is 10 less than 100? That's when I have to take the 100, and like we counted by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, I have to jump back 110. So instead of going this way, I go this way. So 10 less than 100, my answer is 90.